So we got a bit of a problem with the CRF. Came to it yesterday. Obviously it was the other way around, the front wheel was up there and I noticed that patch on the floor. I was going to go out, so I was checking the tyre pressures and I noticed the fork was leaking. So I've stripped it down, I've stripped the fork off. I'm going to pop round my dad's and I'm going to take the fork apart. Q-stern, we have a problem. That's staying right there. Wasn't there yesterday. And my forks are leaking. I've tried cleaning out the seal, and I think it's still leaking. Oh, balls. Yeah. Yeah, it's been dripping off there, all on the floor. It's me out of action for a bit. Looking at it, there's no fork coil in it. So this is that fork. Can't push it. This one. Nothing in it. No oil whatsoever. Can push it all the way up. Balls! But at least it's off. It's on its stand. That's where it's going to sit for the next couple of months. I'll get the fork off and I'll order the seal kit. I've ordered new fork seals, genuine Honda, £36 delivered. But obviously there's nothing in it. And you can see there the oil's coming out. Oil's coming out past the seal. So we'll go and strip it, wait for the seal to come, and then we'll get it back on. Right, so I'm here at my dad's. We got the fork off, we got it stripped. It's quite easy really. All there is, there's a nut in there, you take that out, undo the top, fork comes down, pull the dust seal, there's a little clip there what sits on there, and I think there's a couple of like metal washers in there. Pumped out the oil. I've been on holiday, so my parts were delivered, got returned because I wasn't there, so they've come again. So I bought the genuine Honda, so I've got the dust cap and the oil seal, so we're going to put them on. I ended up buying the tool to knock down the seal into the fork. It's like two of these you put round each side, and then you whack the seal down. There's no doubt it's going to happen again, I suppose, with off-roading. So we're going to take it apart now. I'm just going to get these old seals off, just clean up. So there's the fork apart. So there's the cartridge on the inside. That's the dampening part. And there's the fork. So we've got to take this collar off. That washer, that washer. That's the fork seal, what's leaking. And the clip to hold it in, and then the dust cap. So I'll take it all off and I'll give this a good clean. So that's clean. That's the order they go on. So we're replacing that and that with these new ones. So I'm just going to make sure I get that the right way round. Which I believe is that way. Yep. one goes there. Right, so that's the fork seal in. The dust cap's on. So now we can put the cartridge back in. And all we're going to do is line the cartridge up so the oil's lined up and we can get the screw in. While the oil's in, they said just give it a few minutes just to pump any air out the oil if there's any air bubbles. So I'll leave that for a few minutes and it's ready to go back on the bike. There we go, forks fitted, it's not leaking anymore, just need to do a road test. So since doing the fork seal, I've bought this device off Amazon. I think it was about £4.80. And this is a fork seal cleaner. So what it does, you put that around the fork, you push this bit up inside the seal, and then you turn it around the fork like that. And what that does, that then pulls all the grit and the grime down here, and it'll clean the seal out and let it reseal. So for £4.80, it's going to be a lot easier to keep replacing fork seals every time I go out and get grit in there. So that should come in handy.